Welcome to PC World Online Magazine, your ultimate destination to discover, learn, experience, and share everything related to the ever evolving world of technology. I am your friendly PC World Online Magazine avatar, and my name is Mihiri, made possible with the help of DID's AI powered video generating tool. At PC World, we strive to provide you with the most comprehensive and up to date information on the latest tech trends, gadgets, software, psychology, personal development, financial literacy, meditation, and yogic sciences. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a gamer, a professional, a meditator, or a yogi, our goal is to keep you informed and entertained. We invite you to join our community and stay up to date by subscribing to our free email newsletter and YouTube channel. Our aim is to create a space where everyone can learn, share, and grow together. We value your feedback and suggestions, and we invite you to leave your comments using the comments feature. Your input helps us to improve and serve you better. We want to express our heartfelt gratitude for coming to visit our website today. We hope you find our content informative and engaging. We wish you a mindful and blissful day filled with unlimited ecstasy. Thank you for choosing PC World Online Magazine as your go to source for everything technology related.